Okay, the first thing you want to do is to come here to Clickbank, which is clickbank.com, and click here where it says create account. And it takes you through to this page here where you enter in all the information that you have about your location, your language. You want your contact name, email address, mailing address, and so on. And what you can do, let's scroll down a bit. You also want to know whether you want your emails in formatted text or plain text, and then you have to have a nickname, and this is the name that will be assigned to your account and to your products, and it will be in your username and your ID every time you log on. And then you have to choose a password and a payee name, and this is basically the name that's going to go on the check when they send it to you in the mail or via electronic payment after you reach a certain number of sales. Then you have to agree to the terms and conditions and fill out the capture image. And then click here where it says submit account registration. So I'm just going to pause the video while I do that. And all that's done. So now all I have to do is click here where it says submit account registration. And it takes you through to this page where there's a short survey that they want you to complete. And the first one is, how are you planning to use this specific Clickbank account? Well, we want to use it for affiliate marketing, so I'll click that one. And it says, do you have any other Clickbank accounts? Please list them here. Well, for the purpose of this video, I don't. And we'll say, what's your level of experience with online marketing? Well, let's say I'm just starting. And how do you personally use technology in your business? I'm going to say I'm comfortable owning my own domain and using packaged tools. So we'll click on that one. And as a vendor or affiliate, please select all the ways in which you currently drive traffic. Well, we could use all of them, I suppose. We can just click all of them there. There's no limit. You want to try all of these at some point. As a vendor or affiliate, please select the languages you plan to sell in or promote. Well, we just have English. Audience you reach on a monthly basis. Well, if I'm just starting out, we'll say none today. And what do you hope or expect to earn monthly from this Clickbank account? Well, let's set a modest target of, say, between $100 and $1,000 a month. And as an affiliate or vendor, what niches do you plan to sell or promote products? Now, let's say that I'm going to go for an evergreen sort of niche for this demonstration. And let's say I'm going to go for the health and fitness niche. So when I've done that, click on Submit Survey. And it takes you through to this page where there's a short video that you can watch that explains all about Clickbank. I'll just close this because you can watch it through once you get to this stage. And then you have some information about Clickbank. You've got their knowledge base, Clickbank University, partner offers, and the Clickbank blog. Let's just scroll down a bit further. Then you have to confirm your email address in order for it to be fully associated with your Clickbank account. And do that in just a moment. And you've got the weekly sales snapshot. This will tell you your gross sales for weeks in the past here. And then you have the daily sales snapshots. And it will show you a bar chart here for the number of sales. Obviously, because this is a brand new account, there's nothing here at the moment. And then you have your transaction quality, your number of sales, refunds and chargebacks, a whole lot of other statistics here. So let me just log into my email account. And as you can see, you're going to get 2 emails from Clickbank. The first one is going to be the email verification, and the other one is going to be a welcome message from Clickbank. So let's just do the email verification. Just click on that to open it. And then what I'll do is click on the link. And there we go, that's verified now. So I can actually shut that tab there. And let's just go back to my inbox and I'll show you the other email that you'll get from Clickbank. And this is the welcome to Clickbank message. Just click there, and it's just a general welcome message from Clickbank. You'll find, just a general welcome message, and there's a video that you can watch as well, and some other information. Now, once all that's done, of course, you're going to need to find some products to promote. When you come back to Clickbank, click on the link here that says Marketplace, and it will take you through to this page here. Now, you can either do a keyword search using the search engine here, or you can search for products by category. Let's just scroll down here a bit. Now, I'm going to be looking for something in the health and fitness niche, so I'm going to click here on health and fitness. And it opens it up here, and you can see there's 2,104 results at the time that I'm making this video. And you can sort them various different ways, either by popularity or the average amount per sale, the initial sale, average percentage, average rebill total, average percentage rebill, or by gravity. And you can sort them high to low or low to high. Now let's just take a look at some of the stats here to help you decide what type of product would be best to promote. First of all, you've got the initial sale down here, and you can see for this particular product, the initial sale is $40.44, and the average percentage, that's how well it converts, is 89%, so that's pretty good. And the average rebill total is $98.91, and the average percentage rebill is 75%, and the gravity is 273.22. Now, some of these products have a recurring element, an upsell perhaps, which you can also get a commission on. So someone will buy the initial product, and then they'll buy the upsell, say it's a membership site or something like that, and then you will get a percentage of that every time. That's what it means by rebill. And this is actually quite a good product to promote because the initial sale is $40 and the average rebill is $98.91, and approximately 75% of people who buy the initial product buy the upsell. Then you have the gravity, and this is a statistic that Clickbank generate. And it's based on a number of different factors. It's based on how well the product sells and how many sales have been made recently. And I suspect they also factor in things like rebill rates or how many returns there are and that sort of thing. And the higher the gravity, the better selling the product is. Generally, you want to look for something with as high a gravity as possible, but certainly something with a gravity over 30. You've also got a few other bits and pieces here. This says that the product is in English or US English. This says that it's a one-time billing. This says that there's a recurring element to it. It says there's shippable media, so there's a physical element to the product. It's included in Pitch Plus, which I'll explain in a moment, and there's also a mobile URL as well. If you want to take a look at the product, you can click here, and it opens the product in a new window or a new tab, and you can see what the sales page looks like. This is actually a video sales letter, which I've actually got paused at the moment. And you can see you've got all the information here about it, and it also states that the product is sold via Clickbank. Let's just close that. Now, if you want to promote this product, what you can do is simply click here on the button that says promote. And you can see that it's adding my account nickname. You can see it's telling me that the commission rate is 75% on this. So I'll get 75% commission for every person who buys the product. I can put in a tracking ID if I want. I'm going to leave that blank for this demonstration. And then I click here on create. And you can see it's telling me the URL. This is the affiliate link, known as a hop link in Clickbank terminology. You've also got the HTML, and you've also got the QR code as well. And as it says here, this hop link has been encrypted by HopLink Shield and represents an encrypted version of the traditional hop link format. So what I need to do then is to select that and copy that to my computer's clipboard, and I can then paste it into an email or into a blog page or a sales page. Now, I mentioned Pitch Plus a bit earlier on, and this entry in Clickbank's knowledge base explains it in a lot of detail. But basically, Pitch Plus is an upselling script that some vendors have, so that once someone has decided to make a purchase, then they can be upsold to an additional purchase, something like a subscription site or another higher priced product that will complement the first one as well. So that's what Pitch Plus is, and you can read all about it in the Clickbank knowledge base. There are different ways that you can find out what sort of products you want to promote on Clickbank. You can go through the marketplace like I just demonstrated, or you can use a couple of specialist websites to help you discover the best products to promote for your audience. And I'll talk about those in the next video.